Hi, my name is Sean Harrington. I'm originally from California in the United States, and currently I'm a rising sophomore at CU Boulder in Colorado. I'm 18 years old and I'm an intern here at the Hellenic University. I chose to intern in the field of drone automation because I'm very interested in how precision hardware like drones or quadcopters intersects with a field like automation or AI. I chose Thessaloniki because I heard it has a vibrant student population and they have wonderful beaches and weather. During my time at the Hellenic University, in my internship, I repaired a drone, which involved taking the drone apart and using precision hardware and soldering to repair this drone from its broken motor. And then after that was done, we could start testing with the sensors. The sensors I coded using Arduino. This Arduino on the bottom of this drone takes readings through a DHT sensor, which is sensing humidity and temperature, and also a raindrop sensor, which senses leakage or raindrops. Now, this is important in the application of greenhouses or agriculture. The data is stored on the EEPROM terminal of the Arduino, which is electronically erasable program read-only memory. And it can be read back using a separate program that I wrote on Arduino again. During my time in Thessaloniki, I visited many fun touristy spots like the beaches of Halkidiki and Mount Olympus. And these are very fun places to visit. And the food here is great. The coffee is tasty. The people are very hospitable and kind. The students are plentiful. The city is very walkable and there's a vibrant nightlife as well. I learned a lot about technology, culture, history, and I would love to come back in the future if possible. Circa Abroad was super communicative and organized. I loved it. The guides are super nice and also communicative, and I really enjoyed this whole program during my 2 weeks, and I totally recommend it to friends and family. Thank you, Circa Abroad.